Day one of taking Relyvrio, a medicine that was just approved by the FDA.
So the drug you all saw me struggling to drink about a year ago is officially off the market. Let's start with the facts, and then I will get into my opinions. In order to get a drug approved by the FDA, you have to go through a couple of trials and show that you meet clinical endpoints. But with a disease like ALS, which is so deadly, the FDA understands that we need regulatory flexibility and we need to push for these in an accelerated way. So with Relyvrio, they did one trial, they saw good results, and the FDA agreed to approve it on the condition that there would be a second trial run after the drug was already approved. So that second trial released their data a couple of weeks ago and basically showed there was no difference between people taking the drug and people not taking the drug. So Amylyx, the creators of Relyvrio, decided to pull it from the market. Those are the facts as far as I understand them. Let's get into my thoughts. I think a lot of people assumed I would be really sad about this news. I am not. I'm sad at the state of ALS. I'm sad that we only have 2 drugs to take right now, and they're supposed to extend my life by a matter of weeks or months. And I'm really sad for people progressing quickly because what hope do they hold on to? But I am not sad about the results. I am in the camp that failing is okay and failing quickly is even better. The concept of regulatory flexibility is we all knew going into the second trial that there was going to be a yes or a no answer. And I think having a no answer is okay because we will learn further. I'm the scientist, but researchers will learn more about this disease through failing. I think ALS is a really hard problem to solve, and we have to anticipate drugs not working. But I think in this case, every party acted appropriately and as they should. Amylyx did the first trial. They pushed for accelerated approval. They did right by the patient. The FDA saw the need in the market for ALS patients and approved it. So they did right by the patient. It's strictly the science. There's no finger pointing in this situation. There's no one to blame. And I think with science, you learn from failures too. So I don't really see this as a step backwards personally. And the silver lining is that the people who thought they saw improvement on the drug are still able to access the drug through Amylyx, the company who made it. They can still get the drug. And also, the drug tasted horrible and gave a lot of people diarrhea. So if you don't want to take it, now you have an excuse not to. I think the only question going forward is how regulatory flexibility will continue to work for people living with ALS. Like, are we going to still be able to get drugs pushed through after just one trial? And that's an open-ended question, but I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful, period, end of sentence.